Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today I'm here with a new video. So today we will discuss about internship opportunity. But before moving further with the video, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates in future and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any opportunity. So with that note, let's quickly move further with the video and आज का टॉपिक है हमारा एक इंटर्नशिप से रिलेटेड जो कि है गोल्डमैन सैक की तरफ से. So this is a 2022 summer analyst internship and this program is designed to fully immerse you in the day-to-day activities of one of our divisions. Okay, now eligibility criteria is students graduating from a bachelor's or master's degree program between December 2020 to May 2023. Okay, so basically all the graduates or postgraduate from 2023 batch are eligible any degree and can apply. Okay, whether it is non-technical or technical because they have not written the degrees here. Okay, now this is an internship opportunity and this will be in Bangalore. Deadline will be applications of our 2022 program are open and deadline will vary by school. Please check your institute placement cell for specific details. So if you want to know the deadline for this internship, you can check with your placement officer if they are giving you the information, but I would suggest you to apply as soon as possible because if your placement officer don't give any information, then you will be in trouble. So apply as soon as possible. Okay, now these are the things that are possible in this summer internship at Goldman Sachs. So these will be your you can say benefits. Okay, so this is summer analyst internship is an 8 to 10 week summer internship for undergraduate students and you will be fully immersed in the day-to-day activities of one of our divisions. Okay, as a participant, you will attend orientation where you will learn about our culture as well as the benefits of risk and responsibility of being a member of the firm and receive division specific training designed to help you succeed and have the opportunity to work on real responsibilities alongside fellow interns and our people. Okay, so basically this is for 2023 batch and all the graduates like who are pursuing graduation or post graduation, all the people can apply for this and you will learn so many things there and this will be 8 to 10 week summer internship. That means you can say 2 to 3 months, two like 2.5 to 3 months internship. Okay, and date will be summer 2022, location will be Bangalore and eligibility. So candidate currently pursuing a college or university degree and is usually undertaken during the second penultimate year of study. Okay, so basically whoever are graduating should be in the last year of the of their graduation or post graduation. Okay, now to apply for this program you need to click on this apply to this program button and complete your application. I will provide this link in the description box, so you need to check out that link and click on this apply to this program button and complete your application, and for further process they will coordinate to you through your registered email ID. Okay, now these are some of the things given by Goldman Sachs. So, and if you want to know more about the company, then you can visit their official website. Okay, and yeah, this is all for today's video. And every 2023 batch pass out is eligible. So share this video with everyone who can apply for this job because everyone can apply whether it is post graduation or graduation. Okay, so do like, share and subscribe and also like the video if you feel so, and I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.